Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently Shopify make a big update for Shopify developer, and that is they have totally changes their code edit section into a code editor. So as a Shopify expert, I publish video regularly on Shopify, relevant Shopify store design, customization, and development. And that's why I must have to share the update with you. So now I'm going to my Shopify partner account. Then let's see, partner account. Then go to click on the login, and open any store. For example, I'm going to open this one, and this is very important for all of my Shopify user, because I have published a lot of video relevant Shopify, especially theme design, theme customization, like so. And that's why if you watch my previous video before update the interface of Shopify code edit, then you cannot feel easy or cannot see the exact skin when make the tutorials, and that's why I have to make a regular video for that. So you see, it looks like totally a code. So here is the Shopify new theme code edit section, and here is the themes. You see my active theme name, final theme, and here is the all the code snippet, and you can easily create new file from here, create new folder from here, also explore, refresh, and then you can collapse folder in explorer. Also in here you can create new text file, new window with profile. You can open file, you can auto set up preference, add extension, a lot of things. Also in the section you see all the options available. You can go any file, you see, you can go to the any line command, you can run additional debug, and you can search for any file in here. And finally here is the option of Shopify. So of course I will make a lot of video for that. And in my YouTube channel, if I go to my YouTube channel, you will see I have a lot of video that maximum user
Hey there,
watch it.
welcome to you Shopify
Click on
SEO
the video,
optimization.
and you see here I have published a lot of video, 1000 plus, almost 900 plus. And you see I have published a lot of video on Shopify. That's why I had to make new Shopify video, so that you can feel easy and make new video for that. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.